Good morning, ma'am. We are the team Visionaries. I am the team leader, Tanuj V. Our other team members are Shashank B. Hunagund, Sanjay S. and Navya Nayak. And we are presenting Interprep AI. Before diving into the project, I would like to explain the problem statement. In this current generation, there are a lot of many youths and unemployed candidates who are trying to crack an interview. They have a lot of technical skills, qualitative skills, and logical skills. If they lack communication skills, it's very difficult to crack any interview. To solve that most important problem, we came up with Interprep AI. So this is our Interprep AI page. This is our solution to the problem statement. So this is the home page. Once we come into the home page, we'll be redirected to login and sign up. In sign up, we have two pages, candidates and recruiters. So I'll just fill for candidates as my name, give it a mail, and we are just going to ask basic information like okay, it already exists. So we'll do one thing. Login. I have already created a one, so we'll log in once. Once we log in, we'll be coming to this page, and once we come to the main page, this is the dashboard page, roadmap, interview coach, AI coach, skills training, the notes, the profile. Here we should upload our resume, where our resume will be analyzed. Then we'll create a roadmap for the resume. I'll show you one by one. Yeah, once I upload a resume, it will analyze with the help of resume parsing technology, where we have used various algorithms to analyze it. So here in the profile, we can add a name, LinkedIn profile, skills. So once our profile is updated, as you can see, the skills page will automatically get, the skills section will automatically get filled. And once we save the changes, we will be next going to the dashboard. As you can see, the changes are saved. Once we come to the dashboard, it will analyze our top skills, which is data structures, algorithms, C++, Java, and backend development. Once we do that, we can generate a roadmap, which will redirect to the roadmap section, where we'll be generating our career roadmap, where we can have various short gaps which we have to fill to get into the job, and what other things we have to improve. We have like short-term plans, long-term plans, and much more things where which relates to the role, which makes you better at the role, and what and all you need to be good at the job. So we'll be having the resources also from where we should get it. Then coming to the AI coach. So AI coach is nothing but a practice with a scenario based HR conversation page, where you can conversate with an HR. Like for example, it's like, hi Tanuj, how is your day going? I can record and say, hi sir, my day is good. My day has been really good. Thank you. So I can do this, record and submit. So once it analyzes, then you can have a real time conversation with AI interview coach. So you'll have corrected version. So you can see, certainly sir, thank you for asking, I'm highly motivated. This can be the better way to say it, instead of thank you sir or I'm good sir. Yeah, that's how it is. You can have a detailed breakdown about the grammar also, clarity, professionalism, and tone. Then coming to skills training, we have fill in the blanks, dictionary mode, voice repetition, and speaking task, where we can complete the sentence with the most professional option also. Like, could you please dash your availability for? I think it's let me know. Okay, see, it's confirmed, right? In the same manner, we should be correct so that we can increase our communication skills. and when to use the right word. So this is the dictionary mode where we use the formal word in professional sentence. So instead of like we have to use the word proceed. I would like to proceed with the meeting. Yeah. Once we do this, we can use the next word. Yeah, that's how we can use a dictionary instead of like informal. We can use the better word formal contact. So voice repetition is nothing but a person will repeat and we have to listen and tell it back. So then we have speaking task. We have to speak about any topic for 30 seconds. Then coming to the main part, our AI, a practice interview coach. So using this, we have to create in a certain manner. We can personalize in a certain manner where we have behavioral, technical, and role specific. In interview customization, we have medium, neutral, and software engineer. Once we start the interview, we can enter and we can see a missing resume
Could you
data.
describe a challenging project where you utilized your
That's life,
skills
that's
in
fine.
building scalable,
Once the question is
AI-driven
asked,
web
we can
applications?
answer it.
What was the core problem you aimed to solve,
You can
and how
write
did your
down
specific contributions
this
lead to
notes
an
which should be
innovative
saved here.
solution?
So, according to the AI-driven web application, the core problem we aimed at solving the problem was how specific the contribution we led to the innovative solution. It can be done with the help of STAR method, where we have been using situation, task, action, and results, where we can solve many of the problems with this method. Hmm.
Given your experience with backend development and API integration, including specific APIs like LLM and Gemini, could you walk me through a project where you integrated a third-party API? What was the primary goal of that integration, and what were some of the technical challenges or considerations you encountered, and how did you address them?
When I was developing an API for the Hugging Face, where I have been doing dog breed selection, where many of the applications use basic APIs, I have created a whole model which I have trained on my own using Python and other open softwares which I have used for the application development. So in this manner, we have to be answering every question, and once every question is asked, it will analyze the text, give us a feedback report. So let's end it. So as you can see, in the interview report, we have full transcript and summary, where we'll be having time manager badge, good communicator badge, follow up questions, and a full transcript of what we spoke and what quality it has and what words can be used, as we can see. So going back to the dashboard, it will show what's our total interviews, average percentage, and what's the last interviews, was this communication gap, skills, technical. So we are just focusing on behavioral, so it's just communication and confidence. So coming back to the percentage, so we have created an we have we are acting as a bridge. Interprep AI is acting as a bridge between HR interview and HR's dashboard and a candidate's dashboard. So once the average score reaches 85%, we can once the score reaches 85%, we can the Interprep AI website shows the names of the candidates who have reached the score in HR's portal, where HR portal can create an assessment and send it to the um, candidate who is really good at communication and can test him. And if he is qualified, they can hire him directly So we are creating a better job opportunity for all the people around by giving this feature. This is our USP, the unique selling proposition of our project. So once I log out, I'll just show you the sign up for recruiters. So I'll just give one of my teammates name. So company, let's give Web Pro. So once we log in into HR's dashboard, we'll be having profile settings and all the sorts, where we have shortlisted candidates, all submissions, and my assessment. Once the candidate is shortlisted, like once he scores 85%, his name will appear here. Where using my assessments, we can create new assessments for any role like software engineer. So once we generate questions, we have used our AI bot to create a question, to create many questions. Then we can create the assessment. Once we create the assessment, it will be there in my assessment. We can send invitee by copying link or any other manner. And this is a profile of the HR where we can create assessments, how many invites we have, how many completed the interviews and shortlisted. Then in settings, we can just give a percentage of minimum passing score, default assessment, time limit, then our profile settings and stuff like that, and things like that. So this is our Interprep AI, where we are acting as a bridge between both candidate and HR to create better job opportunities and help the students crack an interview without any fear of communication or any soft skill problems. Thank you.